Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 2nd, 2021. NIO. Yeah, it's about time for us to come in and update you all on the price prediction and the market in NIO. Is it losing ground? Should we act now? What do you all think? Is the price in NIO losing ground? Don't worry about it. I'll give you all my perception as to what I'm seeing on the chart for NIO so that we can anticipate where price is going to go so that we can always potentially profit and win in the market against the trap. Now, the trap, if you're new, is someone who makes the market. It is his job, is his purpose to create a market, to bring buyers and sellers together. And every price bar you see on my chart right now is literally his bidding. It's his footprints. It's where he's taking the price in NIO to create this market. Now, if you're able to dissect these price bars and volume accurately, you can actually predict where he's trying to take the market going forward into the future. It's just that simple. He doesn't use technical indicators. He doesn't use technical analysis. Only those who don't understand the name of this game is the one using those things, and it's useless and pointless. So now, if you're new, hit me up, join our team, join our community, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Anyone else outside of using price bars and volume don't understand the market. Yeah, I'm sorry to say that, but it's real. So check this out. Our last video in NIO was on August the 16th. It was an update video to where I literally told everyone, yeah, I'm still looking for the price in NIO to come down to our ultimate TP price, at least maybe even around $37.50. Don't worry about it. If you don't believe me, it's in our playlist. Go back and check out the video in our NIO playlist. We want to keep everything out and in the open so you all can see that we can actually predict prices without fibbing, without telling you no stories, right? So again, we got that right there on August the 16th. The market on that same day literally came down to our ultimate TV price on the 17th of August. So 11.5%. Now, we've had this prediction going on, since mid-July. So it took about a month for NIO to come all the way down to what we expected it to go. Done. Over. Finito. Let's get this out the way and let's see, is NIO losing ground? Oh yeah, let me show you this too. Look at this. Okay, we had our ultimate area TP around 38. It's not a coincidence that we're seeing this market hug around that particular number. It's not. That is precisely where the market is able to make itself to bring the buyers and the sellers together right now. Now, once he gets done with transacting all of the buyers and the sellers here, we will go to a different price level. This is how easy this game is being played while everyone else is out there making it confusing, right? So right there. So now let me get rid of that. And let's see if the market in NIO actually is losing ground, right? Let's see. Because currently, the market price in NIO, yes, it's pretty much just trading sideways. Like, let's keep it real. The market in NIO is not in an upward trend. It's not in a downtrend. It's pretty much from a very wide perspective trading within these two lines, right? Cool. We're now hugging the very bottom of this trading channel. Cool. So now that kind of gives us the gist as to what potential outcome we can see in terms of where the market's trying to go, right? Higher. Okay, unless we lose that ground and we break below our trading area. Now, check this out. This is the 5-day time frame into the market in NIO. You guys can see that actually this area down here is the biggest area of support. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this area now as support into the market in NIO. Now, I'm not telling you that we're going to come down to this particular line, but yet I just want to show you that from a different perspective, this is where the market area support really is. Okay, now we're not trading around $56, $55 right now, are we? No, we're not. We're around 39. So you can also show how the price has gotten rejected in NIO following this particular 5-day price bar, right? We've been getting rejected. Now, I really wanted to show this because I want you all to understand that there is the chance that I'm seeing on the chart that NIO is going to break that descending line to the right, which is even better for us to continue to see the market go higher and to stop NIO from losing ground in its price. This is what we need to see. We need to see the market break this descending line to the right in order to confirm that we're no longer losing ground in NIO's price. It's just that simple. Okay. So this is NIO on the 3-day time frame, and so far the market looks like it's trying to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna show you all that the market in NIO is definitely trying to break this descending line to the right. That lets me know that the market is more or less going to continue to trade within the range. Okay. So I just wanted to show you all that descending line in NIO. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, this market is so ragged, so rigid that there's no definitive area of support or restriction in NIO. Like I could see the market hitting restriction at a couple of points up there around $47.25. Bigger area right there around $42.35. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this horizontal line right here and try to grab this price around this particular area. Now I do see 4250 as being restriction as well too. That area also is a pretty strong area of restriction in NIO. All right, so let me see if I can get this a little bit better. Let me bring this up to around 48. Okay, so we're going to hold that area right there for restriction into the market in NIO, $48. All right, so we got support, okay, right there around $33, $34. Restrictions around 48. Now take a look. This is how the market in NIO has been trading. The trap has just been bouncing in and in between these two lines. That's pretty much what's going on. Okay, so now in order for us to stop losing ground, meaning in order for us to not go down in price, we need to see the market hold support at 36, no lower than 34. Boom, simple, right? Now let's take a look at this on a 2-day time frame, and I want you all to see how the price is not necessarily negative. It's not necessarily weak. All of these price bars right here in NIO shows us that the market is not trying to drop. It's not. We're trying to see some support, some stability, some movement higher in price. This is what the last couple of 2-day price bars is exhibiting. All right, 3-day time frame, same thing. My only issue is right here. Like the information is already given to us. The market is having issues of breaking above, what's that, 40? The last 4 3-day price bars, NIO could not break above $40. It is what it is. You couldn't do anything about it, because if you wanted to, you could have brought that price higher. But we don't have that much power. So we have to recognize it for what it is and anticipate where price is trying to go, right? But check it out. Neither did the price break below 36. So which outcome do you think the price is going to do in NIO? The weekly time frame. Look at that. We got a day and 10 hours left on the current weekly price bar in NIO. And so far, we're still holding support. So far, all is good. Let's take a look at the monthly. What do you think about the monthly time frame? Right, I don't really see too much on the monthly time frame. We can still see price go down. We can even see the price go up on the monthly time frame. It's too questionable as to where the market's going to go in NIO from a monthly perspective. At least right now it is. Okay, so check this out. We're going to play this on the daily, and right now, yeah, I'm looking for the market price in NIO to give us some strength, some higher price movement, but no sense of the word. Okay, am I looking for this price to give us like a massive breakout? Okay, yeah, we might go up 2-3%. Cool, we'll eat off that, but I'm not telling you that the price in NIO is going to shoot up there towards $60, $65, as some people on YouTube is trying to get you all to understand. No, $40, $42.25. Those are two areas that I'm seeing the price in NIO trying to hit right there. So can we nibble off of $40? Yeah, that's 2.5% profitability. Not much, but you know what? It gets us out the way before the ship sinks, right? We need to grab that 2.5%, get off the ship, jump off the ship, and let everyone else sink. Okay. That's the play right here. Okay. So let's see. Now, let's kick back, let the market continue to work, let him move this price wherever he wants to go, because currently he wants to try to take the price higher, and we're going to try to meet him to where we're expecting the price to go. I already give you 2 TP areas already. Now I want to know where you would TP or take the bag from the trap. Like, where would you take your profits at? You got to know. You got to come in the market with an entry. You got to leave with an exit. So just don't come in buying the market and then not know where you're willing to take the bag. Simple, right? If you're going to hold a play in the market for like 45, 50 years, right? If you're going to hold this long term, you still need to have an exit position, right? Because, okay, let me give you an example. Let's say you wanted to buy Apple, right? For the long term. Let's say you wanted to hold Apple for the next 60 years, right? It doesn't matter. 60 years, wherever the price is, you'll get out, right? That's your timing exit position. Timing, 60 years. But what if the price in Apple was to shoot up to your price target of $1,000, right? Let's say the price in Apple shot up to $1,000, but instead of you holding the play long term for 60 years, it only happened in the next 2 years. Your price target was hit. So which one would you take? Would you take the 2 years that it took for the price in Apple to hit 1,000, or would you still stay in your position for 60 years, and where the price is, you'll get out? That's what I'm saying. You need to have both. You need to have a price target to where you exit, and or a timing exit as to where you'll just leave the play altogether. Which one would you want to do? You could do them both. Whichever one gets tagged first is the one you run with, right? Be careful of people who don't give you their exit positions or predictions as to where the market is expected to go. They're just simply putting you in positions and leave you out there stranded by yourself. Don't do that. Hit us up. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.